Well, today we're going to see about fixing something. What we're going to do is we're going to make a new shelf. So let's get the legs off of this so we can get some measurements. And after we have measurements, we need to make a new board for the shelf. We can make all of our cuts with a circular saw using a speed square and a saw guide. And now we have our board cut to the right dimension. Using an orbital sander, we're going to go through the grits to get it nice and smooth, and then use a sanding block on the edges. I've marked the corner radiuses, and we'll use the orbital sander to sand down to the line. We'll use our sanding block to clean up the corners. Now we need to prime all sides of the board, sand it smooth, wipe it clean, and then apply the final coat of primer. We can finally apply the final color. We're going to do a couple of coats to make sure it's nice and smooth. Using blue painter's tape, we can make a template to transfer the holes over from the old board to the new board and then pre-drill the holes. Carefully applying the top rail to the holes, make sure we don't mess it up. Now let's put the legs on each side, make sure they securely fit. And then we need to add back the screws using the pre-drilled holes. And there we go, we've salvaged the old hardware and created a brand new shelf.